approaching Willie Mae's Scotch house right now. Let me tell you, we walked here 20 minutes. It's hot outside. Hot. Hopefully it's not too hot. Hopefully we can sit inside and grab something to eat. I'm definitely going to catch a lift back. But stay with us. Look at all this. So when you get here, they have this QR code you can scan, and basically you add your name to the wait list because they don't let anyone inside until your table is ready. So as you can see, it's a lot of people approaching, a lot of people waiting.
Standing in front of this fan.
Standing in front of the fan. They do have waters outside though, inside the cooler.
Complimentary cooler for people waiting.
And they have the fan.
And I'll be taking care of y'all, okay? Y'all familiar with the barcode menu?
Yeah.
Okay, and can I go ahead and start y'all with something to drink?
Yes, can I please have
We have freshly squeezed lemonade too.
I'll take that.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'll take a Coke.
Coke?
Yes, ma'am. 6. And they also have another part in the back.
Some fresh squeezed lemonade. I know what we're gonna order. Can I order?
Okay.
I'm ready to order.
What was it again? Fried chicken and pepperoni?
Yeah. And then can I do the chicken tenders with mac and cheese?
Do you guys like any cornbread muffins with that?
Yeah, please.
Yes.
Alright guys, my name is Candy if y'all need anything, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Y'all like hot sauce, ketchup or anything? Any different sauce for your tenders? Hot sauce? Barbecue, honey mustard ranch?
I'll take ranch. Thank you.
Some water.
Yeah.
And there's the other dining room. So it's not too big, but it's definitely supposed to be worth it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it's always packed like this.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome guys. Y'all enjoy.
Thank you. So boom, I got the mac and cheese with some chicken tenders.
This is so
See that cornbread? I made all this cornbread. Y'all see that? Boom.
Look at this.
And it's nothing spectacular that we know of right now. This just looks like some regular soul food chicken. So
Let's try this. Okay,
we're gonna put it to the test. Let's test it out right here.
So good. Okay, let's do the bread. You want to do the cornbread first? Let's do the cornbread. Do the cornbread. No, let's start off.
Smell right. You got that nice bread at the top. There's nothing soft. It's good.
Let's It's like spongy. It looks spongy. It's got honey butter on the top. It's honey and butter. It's like a biscuit. Look, Bailey. Is it good? It's got a kick.
I don't know. What's in the chicken? It's a little spicy. It got a little kick to it.
That's really good. That's got some kick. That's so spicy. It's so good. Okay, let me try the mac and cheese. Let's do this. It's good. It's bland. And it tastes like Velveeta.
Got a little bit of seasoning. It's light.
Alright, so now Thomas is gonna try the chicken. He's gonna cook first. Is it taking you somewhere?
It's not too crunchy. Definitely got a little kick to it though. Just like the tenders. Got a little.
Which one do you think has more?
I think they both about even. So I don't even know if they had spicy chicken. Just expect a little spice.
No, it's separately. What, the green beans?
This season right. You got a little spice to it too.
You got the kick too?
Yeah. Be ready. I think they give you the cornbread just to cool everything down because everything got a little spice, but it's seasoned just right. But try to take it. Took a big bite out that thing. But she likes spicy food, so this is probably right up her alley.
It's fried to perfection.
It's not too crunchy.
No, it's like white.
Yeah. Them green beans hit your mouth and they just,
It's all so good. I actually like the tenders more than I like the chicken.
No, she's gonna have to hold that. Alright, y'all, so we done vlogged enough. It's time to dig into this food. It is a must. A must. We saved it for the last day. So, you know what it is. It's going down.